If there's something that you can tell has been keeping you stuck, that has kept you spinning, obsessing, a mindset that is not serving you, a source of anxiety or depression, you can just allow that to come into your mind. This is a practice run. You can surrender to me here. Hi, Becky. I need to surrender. You can say it out loud. Wonderful. Knowing that I'm a safe person, that I see you for you, that I'm not here to judge, that I'm here to support. And you might just start by saying, I am feeling, See what word or phrase expresses what needs to be expressed. And you might even see if you can locate that feeling somewhere in the body. And you can say that out loud. I'm feeling it this, and I feel it here in my body. If it serves you, you might speak through and process some of the details of the situation, aware of how many details want to come up, if there's a sense of defending yourself or proving anything, and feeling the difference between talking through and processing to understand and see truth versus processing and talking through to justify yourself or push blame onto somebody else. Feel the difference between those two dialogues. It often happens that as we start to process in a surrender, we recognize that we are able to answer our own questions. The questions that we had when we first made that reach out are actually answered in our own processing, often. And now you might just consider the serenity prayer. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, and courage to change the things I can. What am I grasping onto or trying to control that is not mine? That is what needs to be surrendered. Feeling into all these questions, not just with your mind, but more with your body. Seeing what comes up. And when you're ready, I surrender. Just a reminder, it might be someone else's opinion of you. It might be the way someone else thinks or behaves. It might be an outcome. It might be a belief system or way of thinking that you recognize is not helpful. It might be an identity that is not based in who you truly are. It might be an expectation on yourself that is unreasonable. You might even use your hands like we did last time. I surrender, and speak it out loud with that visualizing, using the body to release control. And when you're done, just feeling the difference in the body, feeling the lightness, the release. You might notice mentally that there's less of a spinning, that there's a space and an openness and a stillness. Emotionally, you might feel that those emotions have shifted in some way towards a positive compassion or humility or patience. You might notice the effects of the surrender in the body, a lightening, a softening, a sense of relaxing.
Thanks for practicing with us. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.